Today we are installing a new Trailhead sign exhibit for the Grizzly Lake Trail with one of our YCC crews. Today's work is part of a multi-year project which replaces 96 Trailhead exhibits in the park. The first thing to do is pick a new location for the exhibit. We will use a jig to mark where we would like to dig, and if the soil is suitable, we can use an auger. If it's not, we dig by hand. Once the holes are deep enough, we lower the posts into the holes and we make sure that they are level. We stabilize them by adding rocks and dirt at the base of each post. Next, we'll add brackets between the posts. These will add stability to the panels and to the exhibit. Once the posts and the brackets are secured, we attach the panels and exhibits. The last thing we do is make sure everything is straight, and then they are ready to greet you on your next hiking adventure. My name is Allison Newberg, and I'm a director with Yellowstone Youth Conservation Corps.